Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to cancel your DIB credit card online in 2025. If you're looking to simplify your finances, switch banks, or just cut back on unnecessary cards, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process easy and stress-free. DIB, or Dubai Islamic Bank, offers a seamless online platform for managing your accounts, and canceling a card is no exception. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your login credentials handy. You'll need to access your DIB account, so head over to the official DIB website or open their mobile app. Once you're there, log in securely using your username and password. If you haven't logged in recently, you might need to verify your identity with a one-time PIN sent to your registered mobile number. After logging in, navigate to the Cards or Accounts section. Look for your credit card details. It's usually under a dashboard view. Here, you should find an option like Manage Card or Card Services. Click on that, and then search for Cancel Card or something similar. DIB might prompt you to select the specific card you want to cancel if you have multiple ones. Once you've selected the card, you'll be asked to confirm your request. Read through any terms or potential fees carefully. Remember, canceling might involve a small charge or affect your credit score, so double-check. Submit your request, and DIB will process it immediately. You'll likely receive a confirmation email or SMS shortly after. Finally, keep an eye on your account for any pending transactions. It's a good idea to destroy the physical card to prevent any unauthorized use. And that's it, you've successfully canceled your DIB credit card online. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact DIB's customer support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips on managing your finances. See you in the next video.